Hey everybody, welcome. I'm Jay. This is smarthelping.com, and I've got an entire accounting system I built in Excel. It also comes in a Google Sheet version. To purchase, the link is in the description box below, $45 one-time fee, and let's jump into it. So my goal in this whole thing was to create a database style entry system where the user can select different transactions that happen, put a description on the transactions, and a date and an amount, and then it will produce financial statements monthly, quarterly, and annually for income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. And it does that. And this is one of the coolest things I've ever done. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Here's all the different accounts you can do. I'm always open to new logic that might be relevant. And if you do purchase this, you'll get access to any future versions at no extra charge. So let me know if you have suggestions on that. But I try to cover essentially 90% of businesses should be able to do with these accounts in these types of transactions. If you download, there's going to be 3 downloads, one for Accrual base, which has all the examples of accrual account entries. There's also a cash basis one that has how you'd enter transactions if it was cash basis. And then you'll also get a blank version that's just ready to go with no transactions in it. There's also a Google Sheets version of each, and the Google Sheets version is nice because in that, if you select a drop down, when you start typing in something like this, it will automatically populate and give you a list that's shortened as you type in text. So that's kind of nice. Also, in the Google Sheets version, I built an auditing system because I can do filter and dynamic arrays, and that will tell you if you've entered any transactions here in the category that are not on here. And if you did, you will have errors because these are all hard coded. You should never change these. And um, if you enter something here, it's tied to logic that's working on all of these different line items on all the income financial statements. So you want to make sure that nothing is different here than what's on here. And also it does a filter to allow you to select any category and see all the different transactions in that category, and it sorts it by date. So that's in the Google Sheets version. Everything else is the same. And this is just a really nice feature. You simply have a transaction log. You enter transactions on a monthly basis or whenever things happen, and you can produce income statements. These are all automatically updated as you change any of the accounts, dates, and amounts, and everything is all updated with formulas. This is literally one of the coolest things I've ever done. I'm excited. It's useful for any business, and like I said, accrual basis or cash basis is supported. Um, and I mean, it's really helpful. Um, so enjoy. See you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and I do custom work as well. If you want customizations, it's $165 an hour, and I imagine there might be some things or just general tutorials or help on how to enter different transactions for your specific situation. All that stuff is all, I can help you with that. Alrighty, see you on the next one.